Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa from the Bolinas Library and this is Otis. And today we're going to be doing a couple activities called Picture This. Learning and creativity often begin with observation. We're going to find some new ways to frame what is happening around us. So let's clean out our ears and adjust our eyes. Can you adjust your eyes, your vision, Otis? We're going to take a deep breath. Can you take a deep breath? And we're going to start this fun activity. So, for this activity, all we need is a phone or a camera. If you don't have an old-fashioned camera, you can use a phone, the camera on your parents' phone, if they give you permission. So, that's all you need. So the first game we're going to do is we're going to think of something that you would like to observe. And this might be something that changes slightly from day to day, or you might want to pick a theme. So for what we did was we picked the sky, because we know that changes all the time. And once every morning and afternoon and night, which you have to remember because we keep forgetting too. Go out and take a picture. That's it, just one picture from morning, afternoon, and night. And then you wait for a few days or a whole week until you have a whole series of them. And then you put them together and see what they look like. You can also pick a theme like pets or patterns in nature. Maybe you want to pick a shape like a circle and find lots of different circles in your home and in your neighborhood and take pictures of them. You could take pictures of someone's face showing different emotions, different animals in your neighborhood. What can you think of that you would like to take pictures of? Once you have a handful of photos, you can look at them all together and see how they change over time. If you have pictures of the sky, see how it changes. Or maybe a plant that's growing in your yard to see if it's growing and growing and growing. Maybe it's growing fast or slow, and maybe when you put the pictures together it makes it look like it's growing really fast. Or maybe if you've taken pictures of different shapes in your neighborhood and in your house, you can see what the pattern is when you connect them together. How are they different and how are they the same besides the shape? You can make a little album, or you can cut them out and collage with them and make a cool picture. You can also send the pictures to your friends and see if they can guess what the picture is of. Maybe they are trying to guess where it was taken, or maybe it's a picture that is a close-up and it's so close that they can't even tell what it's from. Maybe it's a part of a plant that you zoomed in on, or maybe it's your ear, whoa, and they're trying to guess, what is that? And that could be a fun guessing game. So those are just some ideas of some things that you can do to take some pictures in your environment and get kind of creative in different ways of seeing what's going on around you. And maybe, hopefully, you can include some of your friends and your neighbors and your family by sending them the pictures. So that's all for now, and I can't wait to see what kind of ideas and what kind of pictures you come up with. All right, until next time.
Bye!